Model, 2018 Ford Transit 350-71 miles Euro 6 fuel pump issue repair No Vat bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 71,300. MOT, the 4th of December 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward fuel prompt replacement job and you still start to drive as it should just comes up with low-pressure fuel code, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric windows, Euro